Welcome back to Recreational Garage. We are working on some different things here. I had this radiator and I thought that maybe I could make it fit. It is going to be a ton of work to make that fit, so we're going to try to find a different radiator. I've been working on trying to figure out what I want to do with the alternator location. I really haven't found any good alternator brackets for the 351 Windsor that I like, so if you guys have any that you know of, let me know. I'll check them out. Otherwise, I'm going to make my own. I'm working on that. Working on sensors and wires and just a bunch of that stuff. Been spending a bunch of time this week to just kind of map out all the wiring. But out here in the garage, what we're going to work on is trying to get some stuff under the dash done so we can figure out where we want to put the components, the electric components like ECU and stuff. So what I need to start with is actually getting our heater box back in. I'm going to take this apart, replace the heater core, probably also replace the blower motor, and then put this back together, get it all cleaned up, and then put it back in the car. And then the other piece we have to do is install the wiper motor and arms, which this bracket here is going to need a little bit of modification to clear the clutch. So that's where we're going to start. We're going to mess with this bracket, mess with the heater core stuff. I'm going to have to get that apart and measure for a heater core, so I don't know if I'll get that in actually reinstalled in this video or not. But anyway, let's get to it and really see what we can get done. All right, didn't get a ton done this week. Spent a lot of time looking for parts and part numbers and starting to map out the wiring for the car. But I did get this heater box taken apart. Question for you guys out there that know this stuff. I'm assuming this isn't supposed to be siliconed together, the two halves. This one was, and the blower motor was also siliconed on. I don't know if that's supposed to be that way or not. So let me know what you guys know, what you know about that. This heater core is definitely pretty gross inside. It's all full of rust and corrosion and stuff in there, so I'm glad we're replacing that. I do have a new blower motor coming as well. And then I took this wiper motor assembly and I put it up under there, and we do need to cut a little bit off of this right here just for the clutch quadrant. So I need to do that and then just add some bracing in here just to make sure that we don't take too much structural integrity out of it. So still moving forward. I have a clutch coming. I've got heater, blower motor and heater core coming. I've got some other parts coming that we need as well. Trying to figure out all the wiring, and then once we get the heater box and the wiper motor back under, we can start to work under the dash and figure out where fuse panel, ECU, all that stuff needs to go. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.